So are there buildings, bushes, brickwork? Yes. Do we have vehicles? Yes. So even if we come up to the line, look, we can't see what's coming from either direction. Because here the bushes are hiding everything. We've got a vehicle coming down now, which again we can't see till the last second. So what we have to do is peep and creep. So we can see a bit further down, but looking back round, we still can't see past that vehicle. So again, we come out into the middle. We start to turn. If anything's there, we would stop at this point. They could get past us. However, it is clear, so we're okay to carry on down.